Are you looking for a natural way to boost your immune system and fend off colds and flu? Look no further than your own kitchen. While you might immediately think of organic yogurt or apple cider vinegar, there are two other ingredients that pack a powerful punch: garlic and honey. These two superfoods can significantly enhance your health and wellness, making them a must-have in your diet. The dynamic duo, garlic and honey. Combining garlic with honey creates a potent yet tasty remedy that can strengthen your immune system. This combo allows you to enjoy the benefits of raw garlic without the intense flavor, and the added sweetness of honey makes it even more enjoyable. Plus, honey is loaded with its own health benefits, making this a winning combination for your immune health. Health benefits of garlic. Garlic is renowned for its immune-boosting properties. Here are some of the key benefits. Antifungal and antiseptic. Garlic is effective in fighting off infections. Anti-inflammatory. It helps reduce inflammation in the body. Antibacterial and antiviral. Garlic can combat a wide range of pathogens. Nutrient-rich. It contains allicin, calcium, manganese, phosphorus, selenium, vitamin C, and vitamin B6. Heart health. Garlic can improve heart health, reduce blood pressure, and lower cholesterol. Cancer prevention. Its properties help in preventing certain types of cancer. Iron metabolism. Garlic aids in the metabolism of iron. Health benefits of honey. Honey is another superfood that complements garlic perfectly. Here's what makes honey so beneficial. Rich in enzymes and nutrients. Honey contains enzymes, vitamins, and minerals that support overall health. Antioxidant. It helps fight oxidative stress. Antibacterial and antimicrobial. Honey can fight off infections and support the immune system. Energy boosting. A tablespoon of honey can increase your energy levels. Allergy relief. It can help reduce seasonal allergy symptoms. Soothes sore throats. Honey is a natural remedy for sore throats. Cancer prevention. Its properties help in reducing the risk of certain cancers. Making honey-infused garlic. Creating your own honey-infused garlic is simple and highly beneficial. Here are the ingredients. Fresh garlic, raw honey. Avoid pasteurized honey for maximum benefits. A small, clean, and sterilized jar and a knife. Prepare the garlic. Peel fresh garlic cloves and use the flat side of a knife to crush them. Let the crushed garlic sit for about 15 minutes. This step activates the beneficial compounds in the garlic. Combine with honey. Place the garlic in the jar and fill it with raw honey. Make sure the garlic is fully submerged. Let it sit. Screw the lid on the jar and let it sit for 3 to 5 days. During this time, the garlic will infuse the honey with its nutrients, and the honey will absorb some of the garlic's properties. Store properly. After the infusion period, store the jar in the refrigerator to keep it fresh throughout the cold and flu season. How to use honey-infused garlic. If you start feeling under the weather, simply eat a clove of the honey-infused garlic every hour. Aim for about 5 cloves a day. This will give you the combined benefits of both garlic and honey. You can reduce the number of cloves once you feel your immune system is boosted, but continue to eat some for health maintenance. Garlic and honey together make a powerful natural remedy that can boost your immune system and help you stay healthy. By incorporating this combo into your daily routine, you can better prepare your body to fight off colds and flu. Remember to use raw honey and fresh garlic for the best results. Here's to good health. If you found this video helpful, be sure to watch other videos on this channel for more health tips and tricks. Stay healthy and see you soon.